This is your source spreadsheet that you'll use during the research portion of your paper. Now, the way it is laid out, you will list your topic across the top. Then we have broken it down into your intro, body, and conclusion paragraphs. Now, in your intro paragraph, you have to include information about the historical background. Then for your other body paragraphs, you have to decide after reading your articles, your databases, your books, what information are you finding that you can gather a lot of evidence for that supports your topic. That's what you're going to decide to use for your body paragraph topics. You have to have at least 3 body paragraphs, each with a different related subtopic to your overall topic. For example, if my general topic is cell phone use while driving, after I read a lot of articles and gather a lot of information from different sources, then I will decide what my body paragraph topics are going to be. As I'm reading my articles, I notice that there's a lot of dangers associated with cell phone use while driving. That's going to be the topic for my body paragraph number 1. Then I also realize that there's a lot of information pertaining to the benefits of cell phone use while driving. That's going to be body paragraph number 2 topic. And then body paragraph number 3 might be other ways cell phones are used while driving outside of having phone conversations. So I've decided that my body paragraph topics are the dangers associated with it, the benefits, and other ways cell phones can be used while driving. If I find even more information and want to add an additional body paragraph, I can do so. Then you have your intro paragraph and your conclusion paragraph. Going down the left-hand column, you have your sources. Those are the books, the websites, the databases that you use. This is going to work as a grid so you can cross off what source matches up with what paragraph you can use that information in. For example, if I read source number 1, I got a really good article on the dangers of using cell phones while driving, I would put an X under body paragraph number 1 next to source number 1 to show myself that when I go to write my paper in the drafting stage, I have information from source 1 that I can use in that paragraph. Then for source number 2, I found another website that gave me some additional uses to cell phones while driving. I would then go under body paragraph number 3, source number 2, just like a grid, put an X in that box so that when I'm drafting, I know what article to pull that has evidence to support that topic. You need at least 6 sources of research for your paper. You can use more than that, but you need to find at least 6 different sources that have information, ranging from databases to books to credible websites that can be used.